Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Kraken. First, open Kraken, go to funding or deposit, choose the crypto, example, Ethereum, copy the deposit address or save the QR code shown. Next, open Robinhood. Launch the Robinhood app and sign in. Tap Search, type the crypto you want to transfer, example, Ethereum, and open that asset page. Next, scroll down and tap Send. Enter the dollar or crypto amount you want to send, then tap Continue. When prompted to scan or paste an address, choose Enter manually. Paste the Kraken deposit address you copied or scan the QR and tap Review. Carefully verify the address, amount, and the blockchain or network. If the network is wrong, funds can be lost. Tip: send a small test amount first. Confirm the transfer. Monitor transaction status in both Robinhood and Kraken. Final arrive time depends on network congestion. And that's it. That's how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Kraken. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.